This is a 2022 Ram 1500 TRX. So it's got the supercharged 6.2 liter Hemi V8 engine, and this one's not even stock. This thing's juiced up to 850 horsepower. It's got a leveling kit on the suspension to sit up just a little bit higher than stock. And look, it's totally loaded out, level 2 with the red trim seats. It's got carbon fiber everywhere on the dash. There's your VIN. There's the dash, the huge screen, of course, being a TRX. And this thing is loaded, got the trailer package and everything. Just 20,000 miles on this 2022 Ram TRX. There's all the steering wheel controls. And of course the giant screen that, navigation, Apple CarPlay, heated and cooled seats. There's the shifter, 4-wheel drive with launch control and the TRX buttons. And this one also has the 360 camera. Up top, yep, it's got the big old panoramic sunroof. Gonna love that. And this big monster truck actually has a ton of room in the back seat too. More of the leather with the red accents, so good looking. Even a console for your back seat passengers. And yep, the back seats are heated and cooled. Flat floor for storage. And out back, a spray-in bed liner. You're going to want to come check this thing out. Next Level in Hillsboro.